have Samsung's very latest flagship phone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S7 and this is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. They're both released at MWC 2016 and they'll be available on March the 11th. So let's have a closer look. Last year saw Samsung ditch the really ugly pimpled plastic back casing in favour of a sleek, glassier design, and they've kept that with the S7 and the S7 Edge, which is really nice to see. But they've reinstated some favourites as well. So we now have a micro SD card slot, which is fantastic. It means you can increase the memory for all your apps, games and music. And it's got an IP68 rating, which means it's waterproof up to a depth of 1.5 metres for half an hour. Sticking with the design for a moment, we've noticed that they've flattened out the camera, so it just means that it's a bit sleeker, a bit more comfortable to hold when you compare it to last year's S6, which had this huge and slightly ugly bump on the back of it where the camera lens protrudes. So the camera itself is a 12 megapixel camera and it has an f1.7 aperture lens, and that means it lets in more light. And then it has bigger pixels to capture and absorb that light. Samsung also made a big deal of the fact that it focuses faster in low light conditions, so that means that you shouldn't miss the moment even when it's not that bright out there, and you'll always capture that perfect snap. As we'd expect with a mobile phone launch, it's had a processor update as well, and Samsung claims it will be 30% faster than its predecessor. Of course, we'll be putting that to the test in our lab. Also had a battery upgrade as well, and Samsung says it will last for an entire season of Game of Thrones on just one charge. This is also something that we'll be putting through its paces when it gets into our lab. And the graphics processor has had a boost as well, and it should be 60% faster, making for really fast, smooth 3D gaming. So the S7 Edge has grown slightly in size. It now measures 5.5 inches across the diagonal. That's up from 5.1 inches on the S6 Edge. And the curves have got a little bit more gentle as well, so they fit more comfortably in your hand, which is good for a phone of this size. Otherwise, it can be a bit unwieldy and uncomfortable to hold. So as we said, this is available to buy on March the 11th, but it's available to pre-order in the next few days. And if you do pre-order it, you'll be given a free Gear VR headset as well. So all in all, our first impressions are really positive. We liked the S6, so we're not surprised really that we really like the S7 as well. It does have a sleek and really nice feel to it, and I really like the fact that this protruding camera has shrunk down a little bit. I also am a big fan of the fact that you can expand the memory now, because it's really frustrating to run out of space. The waterproofing will also come in handy, and the fact that the battery should last longer and that it's faster means that this phone really packs a punch and should be a great Android contender.